In this video, I will doing a case study on the TOEFL IBT test, focused specifically on its integrated writing task. First, let's understand what we are looking at. The TOEFL IBT test is a proficiency test, which means it checks your overall ability to use English in an academic setting. It is designed for students who want to study abroad and is accepted by thousands of universities worldwide. The part we are looking at, the integrated writing task, is a great example of what makes this task special. It works in three clear steps. First, you get 3 minutes to read a short passage. Then you listen for 2 minutes to a lecture, and finally you have 20 minutes to write a summary. Now let's evaluate this task. I will use 3 key ideas: authenticity, reliability, and watchback. First, let's come to authenticities. It is about how close the task is to real life. And here, actually, the task is very good. In a real university, you really have to read, listen, and then write about what you have learned. And then this task copy that perfectly. But there's a one big thing. It is just 20 minutes. Because in real situation, you need to have much more time to think and write. Next, let's come to reliability. It is about a problem. Is the scoring fair and consistent? The test really does a good job here by using both human examiner and a computer to score the writing. This helps make sure everyone is judged by the same standard. However, there's a known problem. Students can just memorize a pre-written essay structure and get a very good score, even if they didn't fully understand the topic. Also, they might use some generated AI tool. So finally, let's come to watchback. It is about how the test impacts on both teaching and learning. In fact, it's a very mixed story. On the positive side, it pushed teachers to practice reading, listening, and writing together, which is a very good skill. On the negative side, it can lead to teaching to the test, while classroom just focus on how to pass this one task and forget about other important things like writing and how to think critically. Now let's talk about the future and generative AI like ChatGPT. AI is really a challenge because students could use it to write their answer, making their scores dishonest. But I believe we can also use AI to make the test much better. The key area for improvement is the watchback effect. My idea is that let's use AI to get every student a personalized feedback report after the test. Right now, you just got a number. Imagine instead getting a report that say you did a very good job, but you missed one key point from the lecture or try to use more linking words in your writing. By doing that, the test isn't just a gatekeeper. It becomes a very helpful teacher. It gives you specific advice on how to improve, how to create a wonderfully positively impact on your learning journey. So to sum up, the integrated writing task in TOEFL IBT test is really well designed. It is authentic and the score is reliable, but it still has weakness in its time pressure and it is in fact on teaching. By smartly using AI to provide personalized feedback in the future, maybe I think we can fix this kind of weakness. We can really turn the TOEFL test from a final job into a very powerful partner that truly helps students learn and succeed. That's it. Thank you.